action. Go ahead, Arthur. Uh-oh.
We love the rain. That's all I wanted. I wanted to play in the rain. Where are you going? Oh, Frankie found a puddle. Splash! Splash!
Want to come over here in the dry? Come on. What? Want to go back inside? Go ahead, Frankie. Come on. Come on, Arthur. Come on.
Oh, Arthur found a big puddle. Arthur found a big puddle.
Oh, cold. It's cold.
Oh, that's pay dirt.
It's really cold.
Pay dirt. You found a big puddle. That's the best. The best. Oh, no, you got one too. Yes. Oh, no. We love water. We love puddles. Yes.
You have to dry this thing up.
Yeah, that's okay. I'll throw them in the dryer. How fun is it? How much fun is this?